Hi friends, I hope you're doing well, and here mega bundle of roll banner templates in PSD. That's mean for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my own file. Go to sheriskpwd.com. Now you can purchase a monthly subscription and 3 month, and last option is lifetime in full cheap price, just one time payment, and you have access lifetime of my all file. Okay, so here this design in CMYK color, that means you can print. I want to show you the property of this file. 9.59 GB, but don't worry, I compressed in single file. You can download easily. So you see here, PST, EPS, and AI, many different format. You can customize conference roll banner. You can import here 2025 new templates. Happy is the last hop. Okay. Roll banner template. You can customize in Google Illustrator and mostly file for Photoshop PSD. Quick flex roll banner. Labor Day, jewelry, internet provider, roll banner. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.